friends, welcome to Sparklebox. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful tea cup desk decor. Make this and present it to your mom or dad. I'm sure they would definitely love to see it. The materials required are A4 sheets, scissors, scale, compass, pencil, rectangular sheet, whitener and Fevicol. Let's take an A4 sheet and make lines on it as shown. With the help of scale, let's fold the sheet as per the lines made. Semicircle and cut it using scissors. Now let's cut the circles from their ends. Let's make dots on the sheet. Sheet and draw a circle on it with the help of a compass. Now let's cut the circles from their ends. Let's paste the circle on the cup to make its handle. like and share this video with your friends. I'll be back with another interesting DIY. Bye bye.